Welcome to today's episode. Let's go on a shopping together. Yesterday was Sunday. I woke up at 8 o'clock. I looked at my cupboard and it was empty. I had no new clothes. My soap was finished too. And there were no snacks at home. I decided to go shopping. I took a small bag and put some money in my wallet. I made a shopping list with items like shirt, pants, soap, snacks, and a water bottle. I walked to the bus stop, and a bus came in 5 minutes. I got inside and found a seat. After 15 minutes, I reached the market. First, I went to the clothing shop. I saw many shirts, some too bright, some too dull. Then I saw a light blue shirt. It was simple and nice. I tried it on and it fit perfectly. So I decided to buy it. I looked for black pants but found only gray and blue. So I chose the blue one with 2 pockets. I went to the counter, asked for a discount. The shopkeeper gave 50 rupees off. I paid the bill and packed my clothes. Next, I went to the supermarket. I took a trolley and searched for soap. I saw many types, orange scented and rose scented. I chose rose. Then I went to the snacks section. I took chips and biscuits. I also found a water bottle with cartoons on it and picked it. I went to the billing counter, waited in a small queue. And paid 980 rupees in cash. I packed everything. My bag and hands were full. I walked to the bus stop, got on the bus, and sat near the window. I felt tired but happy. I reach home at 5 o'clock. Put the bag on the table and took a deep breath. Shopping was fun. I changed my clothes, made tea, opened the biscuit packet. I looked at my new shirt again. It was a good choice. I felt proud and marked done on my shopping list. Shopping is not just buying, it's an experience. A small adventure and a happy memory. I love shopping days and can't wait for the next one. Let's now look at some vocabulary highlights from today's episode. Cupboard, a storage cabinet or closet. Decide, to make a choice. Trolley, a small cart used in supermarkets. Fit, when clothes match your size. Discount, a price reduction. Queue, a line of people waiting. Proud, feeling happy about something you did. Experience, something you live through or enjoy. Adventure, a fun or exciting activity. Memory, something you remember from the past. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English with small stories